There are lots of ways to document that someone wants help, assistance, or to delegate their decision making to someone else when they're an adult. So you could have a durable power of attorney for healthcare. And in California, there's a specific form in the law that you can use. It's easy to look up on the internet. And someone who has capacity can say, I would rather that my mom make these decisions for me. There are different categories on the form where you can say what sort of decision making you want them to have. So a power of attorney, a durable power of attorney for healthcare is one way to document that. I think the tricky situation is when it's not clear if someone has capacity or not to sign a power of attorney, because most medical providers will say, oh, here's a durable power of attorney for healthcare. I understand what this means. It's not legally effective if someone doesn't have the capacity to understand what rights they have and what rights they're giving to someone else. Um, but an adult can grant access to their medical records to any way they choose. If you have a child who you don't think has the capacity to understand their own medical care and make those kinds of decisions, you need to have a discussion with the healthcare provider about what kind of documentation they're going to require because it varies from practice to practice.